In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson WorkForce WF-3640 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to search for Epson WorkForce WF-3640 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results, come back with an Epson support page. It says Epson WorkForce WF-3640. Go ahead and open that up. And now you just want to scroll down on this page underneath downloads and click the drop down next to operating system and select your version of Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and then select go. And then scrolling down again, you want to select the driver and utility combo package installer and the download button for that. And then once it's on your system, go ahead and open up that file to run it. Should be a verified publisher. Select yes, and then you can minimize or close out of the web browser. It will get back to you saying that this installer has everything you need to use your Epson WorkForce WF-3640. Select OK to continue here, and then just proceed with the installer, getting your printer configured based on your preferences, such as if you want to have a wired or wireless printing. And if there's additional optional programs or features you can enable, you can do that through this wizard here. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.